Hey Disney fans! Welcome to another magical adventure. Today we're giving you a sneak peek inside one of the rooms at the iconic Disneyland Hotel. Whether you're here for the parks or just for the atmosphere, staying here is like living in a fairy tale. Let's start with the entrance. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by that classic Disney charm. From the whimsical artwork to the magical details, everything is here to immerse you in the magic of Disney. And the bathroom? You'll love the details here too. With Disney toiletries and plenty of space, getting ready in the morning feels like part of the magic. Look at these gorgeous beds! Check out the headboard with Sleeping Beauty's castle. It even lights up for a little extra magic at night. This room is equipped with 2 queen beds and a 5th fold-down sleeper couch. Each room is equipped with all your essentials: a large flat-screen TV, a spacious desk area, and a mini fridge to store your snacks or drinks. Now, one of the best parts? This room has a beautiful view overlooking the pool area. There you have it, just a glimpse into the enchanting rooms at the Disneyland Hotel. Ready to book your magical stay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Disney magic. See you real soon. Subscribe for more Disney tips and adventures.